in New Zealand. He didn't know if we were coming back. He did ask me to be his best man, which I am incredibly honoured and feel very privileged to have this role, even when everything was topsy-turvy. We didn't know where we were going to be, so very excited. Today is the 30th. We are currently on our way to Chesterfield, which is where the wedding is being held. Before I'd even agreed, well, we obviously wanted to be here, but before we'd even set foot back in the country or said for definite we're going to be here, I'd already got my hair appointment booked in by the groom-to-be. We're on our way now for my hair appointment. I feel like the bride. And then we are going straight to the venue to help out, as it's all hands on deck for grooms and bridesmaids, to just make sure the venue is ready for tomorrow.
Just had a nice fresh trim ready for the big day tomorrow. We very briefly seen the groom while he was having his done first, and he seems pretty chill, he seems pretty calm, everything's in hand.
Very relaxed.
So now that we're all done at the barbers, we are going to head over to the venue where we are meeting the bride and groom, some of the bridesmaids, and we are going to help out with the setup ready for tomorrow. So I'm just going to go be a helping hand for whatever they need so that they can chill the rest of the day and they don't have to worry. We've done some good work. We didn't do all that much if we're being honest, but we contributed. So the candle holders, that was all us. We're very proud.
We are. It's a very idyllic venue, not just for the time of year, but it's absolutely stunning, and especially with it being New Year's, I think it will be spectacular. It did start to get to me a little bit. I think I've thought about logistics, wanted to get up here, wanted to help out, wanted to make sure that the stress is off them as much as possible. But then when you see your best mate's name tag as the groom, and then when you sat next to him as the best man, it really starts to sink in. And yeah, emotions started running a little bit. Excited, but also very aware that I've got to do a speech, and trying to suck in emotion tomorrow will make for an entertaining one.
We have, however, been told by the bride's mum that the bride's dad is going to be the worst one. The father of the bride, and he's got to give a speech. So I think he's going to set everybody off.
Well, if my speech is before his, it might lighten his mood a bit and calm
I doubt
him.
it. I doubt it a lot.
Or I might be a bummer and mess and make him worse.
But we are all done at the venue now, so we are just heading over to the hotel. We're going to go get checked in, get settled for the night, and then we'll go out with the bridal party for Nando's. we've just got back from Nando's and we've just been and delivered the presents to the bride and groom. George is now going to get ready and go to the bar downstairs with the groomsmen for night before drinks.
I don't think it is. I think we might be going to an external pub away from the hotel because one of the groomsmen is a big Arsenal fan, so I think we'll be going to watch the game somewhere accessible to that. So I will update you and I will take you along with me as well and show you a few clips of where we end up.
I am going to chill.
Have a sesh on. So just got back from the pub with the groomsmen and funnily enough the bride's father and mum as well, who bumped into us. And on the way back picked up my suits and the wedding bands, so the best man duties have officially started. Ready for the big day tomorrow, and here are the wedding bands. So that's all from us for the night before the wedding. We're going to get a semi-early night and wake up bright and early tomorrow. I'm going to drop some of the bridesmaids off at the venue early. I'm going to come back, have breakfast with the groomsmen and Bex, and then we're going to start getting ready. Morning of the wedding.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Today is the wedding day. We are very excited. We've just been downstairs for breakfast. We got breakfast included with the hotel, and George has just been to the gym and done a bit of a workout. So now we are chilling for a little bit before we start getting ready for the big day. I am all ready. I am just going to go and drive to the venue now. George is already there with the other groomsmen and the groom. So it is about 20 minutes. It's time. Oh, also, because I've got to drive, that's my outfit. car. We are all done and we are heading home. The wedding was a really big success. We had a great time and we are very, very tired this morning.
Best man duties, I am off shift. Everything is done, everyone is happy, suits returned. Great success.
Great way to see in the new year. One of the most original for us, I think. Very, very special to spend it celebrating the wedding of two amazing people, a perfect couple, and we will definitely remember this one for a long, long time.
Can't thank him enough. It was a massive honour and didn't take it lightly. Feel very privileged to have shared the day with him and had such a big role in their day as well. That's all from us for this one. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you very soon for the next one.